day to you all. Today you are gonna learn about Pythagoras from chapter 10, exercise 10a. Today we'll do the basic level of exercise 10a. So let's start. Question number 1 says, find the value of the unknown in each of the following right-angled triangles. So in Pythagoras, let me tell you, if this is a triangle, this will be hypotenuse, this will be base, and you can also call this one as base also. Okay, so here we are given 20, this is 21, 20, saying this base is 21 and this is 20. Now we have to find a. This is a. We don't know what it is. So now the Pythagoras theorem says h square, which is hypotenuse, h is hypotenuse, equals a square plus b square. This a and b is both the base. A will be base, so it is 20 plus b is 21 and h is hypotenuse, so we don't know, it is a. Now now let me tell you that what hypotenuse is. Like if you are given a triangle, we can take it like this, like this. So we don't know what is hypotenuse. To find out, we just have to see that where is the 90 degrees right angle triangle, right angle is being formed. So here it is being formed. So these two sides will be our base and this one will be hypotenuse. Now we have to find a hypotenuse. So 20 square will be 400 and 21 square will be 441 and a square will be as it is. Now we have to add them both. 841, a square will be as it is. So now we have to take the under root. So this includes some calculation, so we can use a calculator. Actually, I don't recommend you to use calculator because it is not allowed in the P1 paper of O levels and metric both. But as you are in 8th grader, you can still use it. Now the under root of 841 is 29. Because we have taken an under root, let me just show you. It was like this. It was 841. It was like this. We did it like this. We just want to take the under root, so this 2 will be cut. Now only a is left and its under root is 29. A equals 29. So now let's move on the next part. Actually, I'm just going to do the A and D part of both these questions. Now the D part says the triangle is like this. So the right angle is being formed here. This means that this one is the hypotenuse. This is our hypotenuse. These both sides are our base. So this base is 29 and this one is 23. Again, we have to find the hypotenuse. We'll just put the same formula as the one in as this one, because this is the Pythagoras formula, so we have to use it in every question. It says h square equals a square plus b square. A square and b square are our base. So a will be 29. We can make a any one of this. Like we can also consider a as 23, or we can also as well as 29. And same is the case with b, but not with h. H is our hypotenuse. A will be 29 square, and this will b will be 23 square. H square hypotenuse is d. It will be d square. Okay, I want you guys to know one thing, that the opposite side of right angle, like here is a right angle and its opposite will always be hypotenuse. Like in this question, it was this right angle and its opposite was hypotenuse. Here the right angle was and its opposite was hypotenuse. Now back here, we'll take 29 square, which is 841, plus 23 square, which is 529. D will be the same. Now 841 plus 529 equals 1370. D square will be same. Now we have to take the under root. 1370. Here we'll put this as we are taking the under root. Now this square will be cut. Only D is left here, and its under root is, we cannot take D's under root. Now also there will therefore D will be here, and now here 1370's under root is 37.01. Now D equals 37.01, which is 37. Now let's move to the next question.
Go.
So we are only going to do the D part of this question. If we do the 4 whole parts, it will take us long. So now, if you have any queries in the rest of the parts and other questions, you can contact us on our email, which is given in the description below. So let's move on this part. The D part says, question number 2, D part says, the triangle is like this. No, it's something like this. So the triangle is something like this. Its values are D. So let me just first tell you what is our base and hypotenuse. This is our right angle is being formed up in here. So its opposite side is this. So this will be our hypotenuse. And these two sides are our base. This base is D meters. This one is 14.5 meters, and our hypotenuse is 24.7 meters. Now we don't have to find the hypotenuse but the base. Let's use the same formula. H square equals A square plus B square. So now our hypotenuse is 24.7 meters. So we'll write 24.7 meters square equals A is our base. So base can be any one of this. We can use 14.5 as A. 14.5 square, and B will be D because only this is left, so we'll consider B as D meters. D square. Now we'll find its square, which is 610.09. A's square will be 210.25, and D will stay as it is. Now as here it is plus and here it is nothing, so when it will go to the other side, it will be changed into minus 210.25 equals D is here as it is. Now when we subtract 610.09 and 210.25, the answer is 399.84 equals D square. Now we have to take the under root. It will be like this. This square will be cut from this under root, and these both things will be cut, and only D is left alone. Now D will be as it is, 399.84. Its under root will be 19.99, which is 20. 20 meters equals D. Our D here is 20. Now let's move on the next question. So the next question says, in angle ABC, AB equals 8 centimeter, BC equals 15 centimeter, and angle B equals 90 degrees. And triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AB equals 8 centimeter, BC equals 15 centimeter, and angle B equals 90 degrees. Find the length of AC. So now in this question, we are not given the triangle. We have to make it ourselves. So now let us consider that this is the triangle A, B, and C. Now they are saying that AB equals 8 centimeter. A till B equals 8 centimeter. B till C equals 15 centimeter. And angle B, this angle B is 90 degrees. Now they have already told us that angle B equals 90 degrees. We don't have to make it like this, that if we make a triangle like this, B, A, C. So now here there will be not 90 degrees with B. We have to make it like as it is given in the book. B will be here, A will be here. With B there is 90 degrees, like in this one. Now the opposite side to the right angle is this. So this is hypotenuse, and we are again not given the hypotenuse. We have to find it. We have to find the length of A till C. Let's consider it as x. Now 8 square equals A square plus B square. We are not given h, we'll just make it x square. A is 8 centimeter. We can take A as 15 or 8, anyone, it's our own choice. You can also take A as 15, 8 square plus B, will take it as 15 square. Now 8 square is 64 and 15 square is 225 x square. Now when we add 225 with 64, our answer is 289 with x square. Now we have to take the under root. Okay, so now this square will be cut and this under root will be cut. X will be here alone, and 289 will take its under root. Its under root is 17. So x equals 17. As we have considered x as AC, the length of AC will be 17. Our answer is 17. Now the next question says, the next couple of questions are similar to the one we have just done right now, the question number 3. So 4, 5, 6 is similar to question number 3. Now we'll move onwards to question number 7, which says, in the figure, triangle angle PQS equals angle QSR which is equal to 90 degrees. Given that PQ equals 45, QR equals 30, this is QR, which equals 30, and PS equals 53, P till S 53. Find the length of QS. We have to find the length of QS and SR. This is very easy. We can do it by using Pythagoras theorem. Now, when we put this formula, 8 square equals A square plus B square. Now look here. Here, this is the right angle. The side opposite to it is this one, which is so we can call it as hypotenuse. We are given the value of hypotenuse as 53 centimeter. We write 53 square. Then we'll write A square as these both sides are now our base. We have to find one base, and one base is given. We'll consider 45 as A. 45 square. Now we are not given B, so we'll consider it as x square. Now the square of 53 is 2809, and square of 45 is 2025. and x will stay as it is. Now 2809 minus 2025 equals, first we have to just make it like this. This 2025 will come on this side and we'll subtract it from 2809. X will be here on the other side. Now when we subtract it, the answer is 784 equals x square. Now we have to take the under root. These both will be cut by each other. X will stay as it is, and 784, the under root of 784 is 28. Very easy. We have found the value of QS, which is 28. Now with the help of this, consider it as 28. Now with the help of these two, we can find the length of SR. We'll apply the same formula. H square equals A square plus B square. Now here in this question, the question is same. In this triangle, the right angle is here and its opposite side is this, which means that this 30 centimeter QR is hypotenuse. Here again we have to find the base, as we are given one base and the other we have just found, which was 28. Now when we the hypotenuse is h, we'll write it as 30 because there it is 30. We are now writing it as 30 square. A will consider A as 28, like here it is A on the base of it. Here on the base, one base is 28 square, plus B, we don't know B, so we'll consider it as y square. 28 square, which is 784, plus y square as it is. Now 900 minus 784 equals y square will stay as it is. It is 116 equals y square. Now when we take the under root, this square and this under root will be cut, y will be here as it is, and now 116's square root is 10.77. This is our answer for the SR is 10.77 and QS is 28. Now let's move on the next question, which is the figure shows an isosceles triangle TUV where T2 equals TV, which is 9.6 meters, and UV equals 15.4 meter. Find the height of TH. Find the height TH of the triangle. TH, no, this is TH of the triangle. It means we have to find the height of the triangle. Okay, we have been given two sides, these two. Now the 15.4, let me draw it here. Just see. This is our height, which we don't know. TH. This is U and this is V. Now the whole length is 15.4 meters and the length of TU is 9.6 meters. Consider it as we don't know about this one, and now we have to find the half of this length. 15.4 is half, because it will enable us to find the height of the triangle. It will be like this. Let's consider it as a half, this half portion here. Okay, now this is our height, which we don't know. We'll consider it as x. The half of 15.4 will be 7 7.7. It is the 7.7 is the length from here till here. Okay, this one, and this will be 9.6 as it is. Now when we apply the formula of h square equals a square plus b square, here the right angle is, the opposite side of right angle is 9.6. This is our hypotenuse. The hypotenuse will be 9.6 square. Now these two are our base. We'll consider a as 7.7 square plus b is x. Now the square of 9.6 is 92.16 and 7.7 is 59.29 plus x square as it is. Now we'll subtract 59.29 from 92.16. X square will be on the other side. When we subtracted 59.29, the answer will be 32.87 equals x square. Now we have to take the under root. This square and this under root will be cut and x will be as it is. The under root of 32.87 is 5.73. So our answer is 5.73. We can also consider it as 6, but we'll consider it as 5.73 because the rest of the lengths are in decimals, so this one will be also in decimal. 5.73 is x, mainly the height of the triangle, which is th. th equals 5.73. Okay, so
Go.
Okay, so we have completed our basic level of exercise 10A. As I have already told you that if you have any queries in other parts or the questions which I have not done here, you can contact us on our email, which is given in the description. Now we'll meet you in the next video with the intermediate level of exercise 10A. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.
Go.
Until then, goodbye and Allah Hafiz.